Hey y'all, so today I'm going to talk about the new ecloth products that I purchased. I purchased the cleaning pad. These are like sponges, and these are the ecloth pads, fresh mesh pads, stay fresh for longer. And then I purchased, this was my main reason for wanting to make the purchase. It's called the window Dynamo. And then the last thing I purchased is this ecloth shower cleaning, and this is in 2 cloths. So my favorite 2 ecloth products are their ecloth, what do they call this? The kitchen cloth. I love this thing. You just need water. It has a little scouring pad on it. This right here is my favorite thing to wipe down my granite. I don't have to use any products other than water, and it's supposed to help with bacteria. The way it's designed, it picks up all the bacteria. So yes, this thing right here is my absolute favorite. And then I really enjoy their polishing cloths. So this is like you would wet. I use this on mirrors and windows. So what you do is you'll wipe your mirror, and then you'll use this to polish. And what I do is I just have a very fine spraying mist with water. I'll dry dust first, I'll use my fine spraying mist, and then I will use this to polish my windows or my mirror. So I really love these 2 products, and so I wanted to give this a try. So what I'm going to do is we're going to be testing these products together to see how we like it. So this they recommend in bathrooms. I don't know how I feel, I do not know how I feel about using this in my bathroom and this alone, not adding any kind of, antibacterial spray. But it says this cloth has 3.1 million of them per square inch split on a microscopic level. They break up and grab grease, dirt, and bacteria and remove it from surfaces. You can wash this cloth 300 times. Oh, the premium microfibers. What's inside one cleaning pad? Excellent on sinks, baths, and showers. Ideal for cleaning wet areas. And the bathroom, its section design makes it easy to hold, fold, and wipe. Highly absorbent, used to remove greasy grime and soap scum from sinks, bath, showers, and basins. So I'm going to be giving this a try on my bathtub because I don't necessarily need to use an antibacterial spray every day, but when I want to take a bath, I want to rinse it down, right? So this would be nice if it just kind of wiped away the scum left behind from taking a bath, from putting the bath oils in there, from using some kind of salt, exfoliant or whatever. So, you leave behind some things in the bathtub. So this will be nice to try out in the bathtub. And then I'm going to use this on my mirrors in the bathroom. We're going to give this a try in my shower because I do have some water spots, really hard water. We have very hard water here in our house. So I'm going to give this a try. And then this right here, I don't know where I'm going to try to use this. It says brilliant on worktops, stainless steel, bathrooms. Wipe the surface to be cleaned. So we'll just see how this works here in the kitchen. So we're just going to go ahead and give this a try, give all these items a try. I've already talked a lot about these in past videos, so yeah, we're just going to go for it. So give me a second and I'll be back. Okay, so what I've done is I've wet this and wrung it out. Upon wringing it out, it feels like there's some kind of loofah. I don't know. There's something in there, some kind of hardness. But this is what it looks like once it's been wet. So you can see that my stainless steel is a little dirty, that I need to wipe it down. Honey cooked yesterday, so this is saying it's good on stainless steel, so we're going to try it out. So let you know how I feel about it. Now what I can tell you right now is, well, there were some spots right there and it just wiped it away quickly, but I feel like it's leaving water behind. But I feel like if you had some caked on food, that the way it's made is going to, it's kind of like a scouring pad, but not so abrasive, that it's going to wipe it off really quickly. The thing is, I feel like I'm leaving, and you could probably see that, I'm leaving a lot of water behind. Like, I don't like how it feels like water has been left behind. So, yeah, there's a lot of water being left behind. Let me see if I can zoom in and you can see that. Can you see the water being... As far as the sponge working, it works great, but I don't like how it's leaving water behind. So we're gonna move to a different stainless steel area. This is my microwave, and we're always getting fingerprints around here. I'm just gonna wipe, and uh-oh, I'm leaving product or food behind from the stove. And there you can see it really well. I don't know, can you see that? Can you see how there's water on my stainless steel? So when I use this, I don't need to use anything behind it. If you're gonna use this, I feel like you're gonna have to come behind with your polishing cloth, which, no big deal, right? But I'm not gonna reach for it because I'll just reach for my other kitchen cloth. And boom, my kitchen cloth did the job. So yeah, I would be using my polishing cloth behind it, really, because I feel like there's all this water. The water's just going to end up leaving some kind of stain. But it looks clean. I mean, it looks nice. The thing is, So, for my stovetop, the combination of these two did a really nice job. For my stovetop, this doesn't do so great. I'm at a loss here. I don't know what to tell you. Like, I can tell you that it's okay. Like, it's not bad. It's doing a good job, but I have to use this in order to make it look polished and in order to make it shine. This here is pretty much a one and done for most of my items. I don't really use this very much. I'm just wiping it down. Like, if I use this on my stovetop, I'm just basically wiping it down. I'm not necessarily using it to polish. The combination, this alone, I didn't care the way it left, like a lot of water behind, but it did a good job of removing any kind of stain on there. Like, I had some food stain, some spill, and some food on there, and it just picked it up right away. But then using this behind it, it made a really good polish. Ta-da! So, I mean, it is what it is. Like, I'm just letting you know my experience here. So let's continue on, and we're going to go to a next product. Okay, so next product we're going to use is this ecloth. This is the window Dynamo. And welcome to my mirror. Welcome to, you know, when you spit your toothpaste out or having curly hair. I wet my hair a lot, so it's not showing you how dirty my mirror is. There, it's like almost blurring it out. I want you to see that my mirror is dirty. Here, my husband's mirror is usually dirtier. Let's see if we can, okay. What is the deal here? Why can't we see these things? Like right here, he has splashed, I'm sure, toothpaste or shaving cream. Come on. There. See, like you can see in the when I'm not particularly focusing on it, you can see there's there. Let's get this stupid bar out of the way. Like, can you see it? There's some there. Like, when I don't focus on it, it doesn't, you can see it. Homegirl is sweating. Okay, so we're just going to try this window Dynamo out. So pulling everything back from my, pulling everything back so we can wipe his window mirror down, sorry. And I believe it was Jessica Christine that I saw this product. Okay, just to quickly show you, it is two-sided. So I believe that this is the side you're going to scrub with, and then this is the side you're going to polish with. Just wiping it down. And then using the other side. And again, I feel like there's just so much water on here. Did she use something behind it to dry it off? We're gonna let that dry, see what happens. Do you see that it's wet? It did wipe off like the toothpaste, but I feel like it's left all this water behind. It is drying down though. Like, it's drying down. See there you can see it. You see it where, look at my lights. You can see the water spots. Nope, it's leaving little bitty water spots. So I think I would have to do the same thing with this. I would have to wipe my mirror down and then go behind with a polishing cloth, because I can see this window Dynamo is a no-go for me, or it just like it wiped, but it didn't. You have to use the polishing cloth, which I think is in this thing. So we're gonna try that next. Okay, I just started reading the back of this, and this is basically one of those green cloths that I love so much. So it's just in this color, because it says, kitchen cloth with scrubbing pocket. Well, I don't see the scrubbing pocket. Like my other thing has, no, this is shower cloth. What's inside kitchen cloth with scrubbing pocket? Shower clean. Okay, well, this says shower cloth. This says what's inside kitchen cloth with scrubbing pocket. And then this is the glass and polishing cloth. And then it also actually came with a suction cup, so you could hang this. So we're gonna go in the bathroom, and again, I'm going to attempt to show you the hard water stains in my shower. I don't know if it's showing up. And this is so frustrating, guys, that I'm not showing you. There. When I don't focus on it, you can see it. So it's above where I'm showing. So you can see it up here. So we're going to attempt to clean that. Okay, so I am in my shower, and I have a lot of hard water stains, and I'm just gonna use this. And I'm already frustrated because nothing's working out. You're not seeing what I'm seeing on my side. So I'm just wiping it. So all I did, there's no product. This is just a wet ecloth. And then you turn around and you use their polishing cloth behind it. And nothing. Absolutely nothing. So I think what I would have to do is I would have to get this clean, and then maybe it would maintain, but all those little hard water spots are still there. It did nothing. So this is 0 for 3 so far, guys. I'm very upset here. This would be a good set just do like maintenance cleaning. Like if you needed just to wipe down stuff, and then you could use your polishing cloth to wipe things down. Let's try that right now. Let's try it, see if it works out better. I already know that I like these two type of cloths. They're just not doing what they say they would do on the package. The last thing we're gonna try is my cleaning pad. So what's inside? Cleaning pad, wet ring wipe. So let's see if I can show you the soap gun. I haven't had very much success showing you these things. Can you see that there is a little ring around my bathtub, because I like to use all kinds of girly products when I'm in here. Let's get in close. So yeah, you can see that ring. You can see that. Finally, you see something, and that's disgusting because I use all these things when I'm in the bathtub. So we're going to wet this, and then we're gonna try it out. So I have wet this, and now I'm going to see if it does what it says. Yeah, I mean, it's doing the job, but I'm sitting here thinking with regular products, you can do the same thing. I wanted to show you 4 products that I was going to fall in love with because I love my ecloth products that I have. But out of all of these things, honestly, I can't recommend any of them. I could potentially recommend to you would be this, and I wouldn't recommend it for your shower. What I would recommend is if you wanted a pretty color. These products, this right here, I use it all the time. Mine's a green one, and then this color, the window polishing cloth, is blue, and I use them all the time, and I absolutely love them, and I would highly recommend them to you. I will link them down below. I have no link. I'm sweating here. I have no link that's gonna get me anything. I just think that those products are absolutely amazing for women that are constantly having to clean up their house and just need to grab something really quickly, especially for anyone who has granite. Anyone who has children, there's no harsh chemicals. You're just using the power of water and then the way these fibers are made. I love it because we constantly touch. We don't have handles on our cabinets, so there's always fingerprints on my cabinets. I use it to wipe down my cabinets. I use it to wipe down my granite. I use it to wipe down my stainless steel. So those items I can, with 100%, without a doubt, I've been using them for, you know, I think a couple of years now. I can recommend to you, and I can say that I love them. These products that I tested out today, not one single one am I like, oh, you must go and purchase this. So it's pretty much a fail. So disappointing. And I'm sweating, and I'm out of breath. But if you want a pretty color, then buy the bathroom set. What did they call this? This is the shower cleaning. This is the ecloth shower cleaning. If you want a, you know, pretty yellow color, then get that. This, I think, would be good on my granite. So like if I wanted to wipe down, if my other kitchen cloths were dirty, I could use this, but it was recommending it for your bathroom to remove soap scum and stuff, and it didn't do anything. I mean, it did, but I had to like, so that can be done with other products. The ecloth right here, this thing right here, is still gonna have to be followed up with your polishing cloth. For sparkling streak-free windows and mirrors. For heavier cleaning, mist window and wipe with the waffle side. Dry and polish the glass with the smooth side. Okay, so my bad. I wasn't supposed to wet this like I did, and now, sorry, now that it's like, you know, it's just damp, it's not super wet. Let's try this again. This may not be a fail. This may not be a fail. So, okay. I think that this was my fault. This one here was my fault. I wet it too much. So I believe I failed on this. I think that if I were to have just left it wet or dry and then just did a little spritz of water like I normally do with my polishing cloths, this probably would have worked a lot better. So I'm gonna attempt that. So maybe only a couple of items were bad, a couple items were a fail. Anyways, I hope this video was somewhat useful to you guys, that you got some information or some idea of what you might want and not want. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, if you like me, give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.